Okay. I'm going to start the truck up with Add Turbo Works Stage 3 turbo and 190cc injector so you can hear what it sounds like at startup and idle. I'm going to, once I start it up, I'm going to just take the truck for a drive so you can hear how it sounds. Kind of live in a residential area, so I can't really get too loud, but I'll try to give it some throttle so you can hear the whistle and how mean it sounds. As you can hear, it's very deep, throaty sound at idle. I have the windows down and the back window open, so you'll be able to hear it as I drive and take off. Try to keep this so you can watch the boost on the edge. Yeah, boys and girls, is the Mad Turbo Works Stage 3 Turbo. Just going really easy cruising. Got the popo here. I can't speed, but this should give you a good estimation of what it's going to sound like. And then of course we got the dyno video as well, which will give you what it sounds like a wide open throttle and all that good. That's all for now.